Ontario starts 2026 with massive employer-led PNP draw. Ontario has officially kicked off its immigration selections for 2026, and it's a big start. In one single day, the province issued over 1,800 invitations, sending a strong message about where immigration is headed this year. If you're planning Canadian PR through a provincial nominee program, this update could directly impact your chances in 2026. Let's break down exactly what happened, who was invited, and what this means going forward. Ontario launches 2026 with large OINP draws. On 2nd February 2026, Ontario conducted its first immigration selections of the year through the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, also known as OINP. In total, the province issued 1,825 invitations to apply for provincial nomination across multiple employer-driven streams. These draws were not random. Instead, Ontario focused specifically on sectors facing urgent labour shortages, especially healthcare, early childhood education, and regional workforce needs. Candidates considered in these draws had profiles submitted between 2nd July 2025 and 28 January 2026. 6 targeted draws held in one day. Ontario actually conducted 6 separate targeted draws under the employer job offer category. Here's how the invitations were distributed. The employer job offer foreign workers stream invited 129 candidates with a minimum score of 33, mainly physicians. 14 candidates with a minimum score of 44 under REDI regional selection. 634 candidates with a minimum score of 36 for healthcare and early childhood roles. The employer job offer international students stream invited 26 candidates with a minimum score of 69 under REDI. 1,015 candidates with a minimum score of 56 for healthcare and childcare occupations. The in-demand skills stream invited 7 candidates with a minimum score of 34 under REDI. This shows Ontario is not just inviting large numbers, it is inviting very specific talent based on real workforce demand. Healthcare and education remain top priorities. A major portion of invitations went to healthcare professionals and early childhood educators. Ontario continues to face staffing shortages in hospitals, clinics, and childcare systems, which is why these occupations are seeing consistent immigration support. Physicians were also directly targeted, highlighting the province's urgent need for licensed medical professionals. REDI program strengthens regional immigration. Another key focus in these draws was the REDI pilot, Regional Economic Development Through Immigration. This initiative helps smaller and rural communities attract skilled workers when local hiring is not enough. REDI invitations were linked to job offers in regions like Lanark County, Leeds and Grenville, Sarnia Lambton, and Thunder Bay. Importantly, REDI is not a separate immigration stream, it works within existing employer job offer streams. What happens after receiving an invitation? Candidates who received an ITA now have 60 days to submit a complete OINP application. If approved, they receive provincial nomination, which can then be used to apply for Canadian permanent residence with the federal government. For many candidates, this is one of the fastest pathways toward PR. What this means for 2026 immigration. Ontario's first draw of 2026 makes 3 things very clear. Employer-driven immigration will continue to dominate healthcare and childcare occupations will stay priority sectors. Regional immigration programs will keep expanding. We can expect more targeted OINP draws throughout 2026 as labor shortages continue. Conclusion. If you're planning Canada PR in 2026, aligning with employer demand and priority sectors will be more important than ever. Stay updated, stay prepared, and make sure your profile matches real labor market needs. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.